Reaching out to me, I got to know. Some roots. Go, 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 go.
Zion roots. The Rasta light shine in the darkest hour. Herb make the soul feel Jah mighty power. Me blaze the chalice in the Zion breeze. Herb make the heart feel Jah peace. Them try fi dim the light, them try fi break the flame, but Jah herb strong and it call Jah name. From the ghetto streets to the mountain height, herb make the path straight, bring the light. The fire it blaze, the smoke it rise. Herb make the humble see Jah skies. Light up the herb, the flame so pure. Herb vibration make the soul secure. Rasta light burn, the darkness flee. Through Jah herb, me truly free. Rasta light, Jah fire in the soul. Herb vibration make the broken whole. From the valley low to the heavens high, Rasta light shine till the day me die. Them try to silence Jah holy vice, but Jah herb make the righteous rejoice. Me walk with Jah, me can't turn back. Herb light my path through the darkest track. Babylon crumble under Jah truth. Herb make the wisdom guide the youth. The fire burn high, the chalice pass round. Herb make the warriors stand ground. Through the storm, the Rasta light blaze. Herb make the soul sing Jah praise. The flame make the weary find rest at last. Herb chant guide the future and past. Rasta light, Jah fire in the soul. Herb vibration make the broken whole. From the valley low to the heavens high, Rasta light shine till the day me die. Forever burning Jah fire true. Herb make the heart renew. The Rasta light shine with eternal glow, guiding me spirit wherever me go. Sacred smoke rise in the morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, the message spread. Herb make the humble find Jah instead. Me kneel pon the ground with the chalice in hand. The smoke at the bridge to the promised land. The morning dew mix with the fire's heat. Herb make the journey feel so sweet. Babylon try to silence Jah word, but the sacred smoke rise, them voices unheard. Through the haze, me see Jah plan. Every puff reveal the truth of man. Herb make the chains of Babylon fall. Sacred smoke rise, answer Jah call. Sacred smoke rising to Jah throne. Herb meditation make the truth be known. From the hills of Zion to the urban sprawl, sacred smoke rising make the wicked fall. Them criminalize what Jah provide, but Jah herb make me spirit abide. The fire ignite, the smoke make it clear. Rasta chant loud fi Jah draw near. Me gaze pon the stars in the endless sky. Herb make me heart connect so high. The wicked them fight, but Jah herb prevail. Sacred smoke tell the ancient tale. The root roots them strong, the leaves divine. Herb make the soul realign. Rasta chant pon the holy flame. Every leaf whisper Jah sacred name. The fire make the weary man find peace. Sacred smoke rise, make the pain release. Sacred smoke rise in a morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley beneath his spur. Herb make the hunger find Jah stir. Sacred smoke rise in Jah holy grace. Herb make the heart find its rightful place. Sacred smoke guide me through Jah way. Rasta chant strong till the final day. Zion rules. Ay, ay, ay. By the Ganja river, where the breeze run free, me sit and meditate, panja prophecy. The water flow steady like the beating drum. Every ripple whisper said the Rasta kingdom come. The herb in me hand, the fire ignite. My soul take flight in the heart of night. Them can't change our love, them can't stop the flow. The Ganja river guide me where the Rasta go. Flow Ganja river, cleanse the land. Bring the healing touch from Jah mighty hand. Every drop sacred, every leaf divine. Flow Ganja river, make the world combine. Ganja river flow through the Zion land. Carry the truth where the wicked can't stand. Herb of life, make the journey sweet. Ganja river guide me spirit complete. Me see the fishermen casting them net. Herb meditation teach me no regret. Babylon them fight but Jah herb prevail. The Ganja river write the holy tale. Every stream connect to the ocean wide. The herb vibration make me soul collide. Them burn down the fields but the roots still grow. The Ganja river teach we what we know. Follow the current where Jah spirit call. Through the mountains high to the valleys small. Herb make the weary find peace again. Flow Ganja river wash away the pain. Ganja river flow through the Zion land. Carry the truth where the wicked can't stand. Herb of life make the journey sweet. Ganja river guide me spirit complete. Forever flowing, Jah water and herb. The Ganja river speak the holy word. From me first draw to me final breath. Ganja river flow till the end of death. Oh, oh, oh. the fire, bring Jacob. Babylon tremble when the herb rise up. Herb make the Rasta drink Jacob. Through the darkest night, the herb blaze high. Herb make the spirit reach just sky. Circle the fire, chant just song. Herb make the weak man strong. The flame burn bright, the truth them feel. Herb of Zion make the soul heal. Herb of Zion, the truth unfold. Sacred flame in the chalice hold. From the ghetto street to the Zion heights. Herb of Zion, bring your light. Forever growing Jah holy name. Herb of Zion on the Babylon flame. The roots run deep, the blessings flow. Herb of Zion guide wherever we go. Zion roots, moonberry in my pocket. Yeah man. On the mountain peak where the silence sing, the whole Jah herb feel the spirit within. The cool breeze whisper the ancient truth. Herb in me and the eternal root. Me gaze upon the stars, Jah guide and shine. Every puff a journey to the divine. The chalice blaze in the sacred glow. Mountain herb prayer make the blessings flow. Oh Jah, hear me champ on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. The elders gather with wisdom wise. The herb make the soul reach just skies. The mountain hold the secret of time. Every leaf a key to the holy rhyme. Them try to destroy, but Jah herb grow. Through the hardest ground, the roots still show. Babylon can't stop what Jah create. The herb make the humble elevate. Pass the chalice round, make the fire light. Herb meditation in the heart of night. The mountain echo the holy refrain. Herb chant make the wicked restrain. Oh Jah, hear me chant on high with the herb in and under Zion sky. Mountain prayer rise, make the spirit free. Sacred herb chant for eternity. Forever me climb the heights unseen. Mountain herb prayer keep me spirit clean. Jah guide my path with the sacred flame. Forever chanting Jah holy names. Zion roots. Yeah man, let's go. The eternal flame blaze in the Rasta's eyes. Herb make the spirit soar to just skies. The chalice light bright in the circle of peace. Herb make the soul find Jah release. The fire of Zion it never fade. Herb make the warrior never afraid. Them try to quench it, but Jah light strong. Herb meditation make the righteous song. From the ghetto street to the Zion peak, herb make the voice of Jah people speak. The flame burn bright in the darkest hour. Herb vibration make the wicked cower. Every puff a chant, every draw divine. Jazz eternal flame make the soul align. Eternal flame, Jazz love supreme. Herb vibration fulfill the dream. Through the fire and rain, the spirit remain. Eternal flame make the truth sustain. The herb are the teacher, the flame a guide. Herb make the humble walk just side. Fire blaze high in the Zion air. Herb meditation answer Jah prayer. Babylon tremble when the herb arise. Herb make the darkness flee Jah skies. The roots run deep in the holy ground. Eternal flame make the blessings abound. Circle the fire, chant Jah name. Herb make the spirit rise with the flame. Eternal light make the shadows fade. Herb guide the journey Jah hand has made. Eternal flame, Jah's love supreme. Herb vibration fulfill the dream. Through the fire and rain, the spirit remain. Eternal flame make the truth sustain. The fire a beacon in the heart of fight. Herb make the darkness turn to light. Them try to destroy, but Jah flame survive. Herb make the spirit truly alive. The chalice pass round in the Rasta's hand. Herb meditation make the people overstand. Every leaf a scripture, every bud a sign. Eternal flame make Jah wisdom shine. Forever blazing Jah herb divine. Eternal flame make the Rasta align. Through the struggles, the trials, the pain, Jah's eternal flame always remain. Tropicana cookie smoke. The chalice blaze in the circle of peace. The herb make the struggle and the pain release. Rasta man chant for the world to unite. The smoke rise high in the heart of night. Herb make the vision clear as day. Every puff a guide in Jah holy way. Babylon can't silence the ancient song. The chalice of freedom burn them wrong. Chalice of freedom, the fire ignite. Herb bring the truth, make the darkness light. From the valley deep to the mountainside. Chalice of freedom, make the spirit collide. Them call it a crime, but Jah call it love. Herb make the soul soar to the heavens above. The chalice a torch in the battle of lies. Herb meditation open the skies. Me stand on the truth, me can't back down. Herb make the warrior wear the crown. Babylon tremble when the chalice rise. Herb are the weapon them can't disguise. Pass the chalice, let the healing flow. Herb vibration make the spirit grow. Freedom chant echo through Jah creation. Chalice blaze high in the meditation. Chalice of freedom, the fire ignite. Herb bring the truth, make the darkness light. From the valley deep to the mountainside. Chalice of freedom, make the spirit collide. Forever me hold the chalice strong. Herb make the heart find where it belong. The fire blaze high in Jah holy name. Chalice of freedom burn the Babylon flame. Hey. Yeah. Tropicana cookie smoke. Hey, yeah. Siam roots. Ay, ay, ay. Tropicana cookie smoke. Hey, yeah. Siam roots. Ay, ay, ay. Tropicana cookie smoke. Hey, yeah. Siam roots. Ay, ay, ay. Tropicana cookie smoke. Zion, oh, oh, Zion. Zion, oh, oh, Zion. Yeah. The earth beneath my feet, my roots them hold tight through the stormy darkness. The walk with Jah light, them try to break the branches, them try to chop the tree. But the roots of wisdom keep the Rasta free. From the hills of Zion to the Babylon street, the Ganja plant flourish where the humble meet. Them label it a crime, them call it a sin, but Jah herb at the doorway feed the soul within. Me chant the psalms while the fire blaze. Rasta warrior fight with the brighter days. Roll the chalice, let Jah truth rise. Through the smoke, missy Babylon lies. Them build walls high, but Jah higher still. Roots warrior fight with the lion will. Roots warrior, me carry Jah flame. Fight for the truth and me call Jah name. The herb make me strong, the spirit so right. Roots warrior chant till the day me die. The battle it heavy, but me heart never fear. The voice of Jah whisper, say me path clear. Them try to change my mind, but the herb cut free. Herb make the blind man start to see. The lion roar loud, make the wicked tremble. Rasta fire burn and the spirit assemble. Me carry the message, me plant the seed. The herb of life, to fulfill the need. Rise up Rasta, hear the warrior cry. Through the herb, Jah power can't deny. The roots of strength, the tree of peace. The herb vibration make the fire release. Roots warrior, me carry Jah flame. Fight for the truth and me call Jah name. The herb make me strong, the spirit so right. Roots warrior chant till the day me die. Forever me blazing Jah righteous way. Roots warrior chant till the judgment day. Me stand on the truth, me can't back down. Jah herb make the warrior wear the crown. Zion roots. Rasta man give me this spliff. We're upon the battlefield, the fire start blaze. Rasta man chant make the wicked amaze. Them try for silence, Jah voice so strong. But the herb of truth make the righteous long. The chalice pass round in the circle of love. Sacred smoke rise to the heavens above. Babylon them crumble, them can't contain. The fire blaze anthem run through the vein. Fire blaze high like the Zion peak. Herb brings strength to the humble and weak. Every draw of power, every puff of fight. Fire blaze anthem in the dead of night. Fire blaze, the spirit ignite. Herb meditation make the darkness light. From the ghetto street to the mountain high. Fire blaze anthem make the world reply. Them call it rebellion, but Jah call it truth. The herb restore the wisdom of the youth. Every leaf sacred, every bud divine. Fire blaze anthem in the Rasta mind. The system crumble under Jah fire. Herb chant lift the soul higher and higher. Them fear the smoke, them dread the flame, but the herb are the key to Jah holy name. Chant it loud, make the world them hear. Fire blaze anthem burn away the fear. Rasta stand tall with Jah by me side. Fire blaze strong, make the truth collide. Fire blaze, the spirit ignite. Herb meditation make the darkness light. From the ghetto street to the mountain high. Fire blaze anthem make the world reply. Forever blazing in Jah holy fire. Herb make the heart lift higher and higher. The anthem of freedom, the song of grace. Fire blaze anthem light up the place. Smoke rise high like thunder it roll. Herb make the weary man find him soul. The fire blaze bright in the Rasta's hand. Herb make the spirit overstand Jah plan. The system shake when the herb ignites. Babylon crumble in the holy light. From the valley low to the mountain steep. Herb make the righteous no longer weep. The lion roar loud in the herb's embrace. Smoke and thunder burn the wicked race. Thunder crash, smoke rise up high. Herb vibration make the darkness die. Every puff a weapon, every draw a flame. Smoke and thunder chant Jah name. Smoke and thunder the fire ignites. Herb make the people claim them right. Through the struggle, through the fight. Smoke and thunder bring Jah light. Them build the walls but the smoke break through. Herb reveal what Babylon never knew. Them call it a crime but Jah call it cure. Herb make the broken heart feel secure. The thunder roar deep in the Rasta's heart. Herb make the humble play them part. Them try fi silence Jah natural flame, but the herb make the spirit proclaim Jah name. The mountains tremble, the rivers run free. Herb meditation make the blind man see. Smoke rise high in the midnight glow. Herb make the righteous reap what them sow. Smoke and thunder the fire ignite. Herb make the people claim them right. Through their struggle, through their fight. Smoke and thunder bring Jah light. Babylon can't stop the herb of Jah. The fire blaze bright, feed the near and far. The smoke carry prayers to the heavens above. Herb make the heart sing that Jah love. The thunder clash with the lion's roar. Herb make the warrior stand for more. Every leaf a key, every bud divine. Smoke and thunder make Jah light shine. Forever blazing Jah fire strong. Smoke and thunder make the journey long. Herb meditation keep the soul alive. Smoke and thunder make the righteous thrive. Yeah. Something arise your love. last thing in our song to testifies. War you every faith to squeeze. Taking to my way and great surprise. Taking and you start to feast. It's not a fight into my friends, but throw it up into with friends. After forbidden things and now we're blessing it with dance. A feast keep leading up the blessed defies. This make me start alone with the hardcore knife. Pressure of myself on the and the climbs. Rat resume was born against it just to find myself. A feast keep leading up the blessed defies. This make me start alone with all the hardcore nights. Now I'm reading down song, the rest defies. Swallow ever flow the squeeze. Speaking to my radar, breaks sunrise. I'm taking that and stop the feast. It's now a reading down song, the rest defies. I got my living things and why my present and your nerves. A feast keep digging up the breast defies. This make me stand alone with funky hardcore nights. Which make me stand alone with up the ongoing nights. A feast keep big enough the breast defies. Which make me stand alone with up the ongoing nights. Reggae Valley harmony, so pure